Welcome to Geometry CST release question number 35. It says if a cylindrical barrel measures 22 inches in diameter, how many inches will it roll in 8 revolutions along a smooth surface? So let's draw a picture of a cylindrical barrel. Just draw any old cylinder will work. We won't say this is to scale necessarily, but we know that the barrel has a diameter of 22 inches. So that's all the way across. So if I'm going all the way across from here to here, 22 inches. With the formulas that we know though, we need our formula in terms of the radius, or we have our formulas in terms of the radius. So the radius, we would just take that, divide it by 2, and we'd have 11 inches for the radius. We know that in terms of rolling along its surface, we're talking about how wide that is, or not how wide, how long that is around the circle right there. So if you go roll around one time, that will be the circumference of the circle, and we're going to do that 8 times because it's going to keep rolling and rolling and rolling. So this isn't a surface area question, it's not a volume question, it's more of a distance or a circumference question. And so you may have learned 2 different ways to think of circumference. The way most of us learn is 2 pi r, but that's the same as pi d. So you could actually use pi times the diameter, which is the same as 2 times pi times the radius. 2 times r, 2 times the radius, is the same thing as diameter. So both of these equations work. I'll use 2 pi r because that's what most of us are used to, but you could use pi d as well and actually go a little bit faster if you use pi d. And so this would be 2 pi times 11. You plug in 22 into there, you get the same thing, 22 pi. This is in 1 revolution though. That's just the barrel rolling around one time. So in 1 revolution, you look at your answer choices. Uh-oh, it's not there. Hold on. It says in 8 revolutions. Okay, so we need to just take this. 8 revolutions is going to equal 8 times 22 pi. 8 times 20 is 160. 8 times 2 is 16. You put those together and you have 176 pi inches for your final answer. Choice C for number 35.